One,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30,
very
31.
good. Till 30, enough till 30. Thank you, Yukta. Next is Ilango.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, welcome. Ilango.
5.
1,
சரி சொல்லு மேம்க்கு சொல்லு 1
2,
2 சத்தமா சொல்லு
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14,
14
14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20,
21
21, 22, 28,
23
3,
then
24
24,
சொல்லுங்க மேம்க்கு சொல்லு
25,
20,
சத்தமா சொல்லு மேம்க்கு சொல்லு
26, 27, 28, 29, and
30
30.
30.
Very good, Ilango. Sarah.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, Sarah.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
21,
22, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
very good. Well done. Next is Nakshatra.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. So, okay. 1, 2, 3 சொல்லு மேம் கேக்குறாங்க.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Come on. Good girl. 11,
13, 14, 15, 17,
16,
15,
16,
16,
16, 17, 18, 19,
20,
21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
30. Very good. Next is Nitish. Come on, Nitish.
Okay.
1,
1,
two,
4,
1, 2, 3.
1,
1,
2,
2,
நீ சொல்றா.
Adani.
1, 2, 3 சொல்லு.
No.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come on, Nitish.
1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10,
11, 11. 12, 13, 15.
3.
Okay. Nitish அம்மா 1 to 30 numbers road counting நாளைக்கு நான் மறுபடியும் கேட்பேன் ஓகேங்களா?
Okay.
Okay. Next is who is there? Shravanya.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, road count 1 to 30.
1 second.
1,
1, 2, 3,
சொல்லுங்க.
4,
5,
6.
7, 8, 9, 10,
11,
11, 12, 13, 14,
15,
17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25,
26,
26, 27, 28, 29,
30. Very good. Now I want all of you to stand up for Kids Anthem. Come on. Kids Anthem. Stand up, all of you. Join your hands and close your eyes. You want to say Nimalan? Okay, come on. Nimalan will say Kids Anthem. Yes, continue.
My potential size. Don't like
You are the wing.
You are the way. When it may fly, you define me. My potential size.
Today I pledge.
Never pledge. Don't my. I believe my potential size.
Yes, very good. Well done. Keep standing. Thank you. Good morning, children. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, children. Keep standing.
பாட்டு போடுவாங்க டான்ஸ்
What's going on? Run, all of you, run. Very good, children. All of you go drink one glass of water and come back. Adya. Adya.
Here I am, Ajishima.
Very good, Adya. Next.
Here I am, ma'am.
Very good, Ilandu. Next.
Nashika.
Next.
Here I am, sir. சொல்லுங்க.
Here I am.
Very good, Nakshatra. Next.
Here I am.
Yes, very good, Nitish. Next. Kevin. Kevin is absent. Next.
சத்தமா சொல்லு.
Okay, very good. Yeah, thank you, Riyanti. Sara.
Here I am, Alila.
Yeah. Next, Pranavi.
Yes, ma'am. Here I
Here I
am.
am. Yeah, good. Ravina.
Yes, ma'am.
Here I am.
Here I am, Alila, ma'am.
Okay, Srinija. Srinija. Absent. Tilakar. Next, Yukta.
Here I am, ma'am.
Very good, Yukta. Next. Kadambari, absent today. Next, Shravanya. Shravanya. Very good, Shravanya. Next, Mokshita.
Here I am, ma'am.
Very good. Next.
Here I am, Alila, ma'am.
Very good, Manimalan. Next. Adarsh. Very good, Adarsh. Thank you so much, children. Next is rhymes. Okay. Do you all remember the family rhyme? Anyone today who is going to sing family rhymes? Let me see. Very good. Thank you, Nimalan. Shravanya, 5 senses rhyme.
I have 2 eyes that can see. I have 1 nose that can smell. I have fingers that can touch. They make you play pretty much. I have 2 ears that I can hear, and 1 tongue that help me taste. These are all my 5 senses. These are ways.
Not waste. Very good. Next is Adya, vegetable rhymes. Vegetable rhymes. Adya Sharma. Vegetables. Come on. Vegetables. Okay, Ilango, come on, sing Ilango.
No, Mama. The garden from seed. By them and cup them and cook them.
சத்தமா சொல்லக்கூட நான் கேட்பேன்.
By them and chop them and cook them and eat. Put them in salad.
Put them in salad.
சத்தமா
Yes,
சொல்லு.
very good.
Yes,
Okay, very good. Next time is our roses are red. Yeah, very good, ma. Roses are red. Roses are red. Violets are blue. Sugar is sweet, and so are you. Okay. Next, moving on to our concept. What concept we learned last week? What did we learn? What did we learn? போன வாரம் என்ன படிச்சோம்? What did we learn? What did we learn? Yes. Very good, Nimalan. Leafy vegetables. Yeah, very good. Underground vegetables. Okay. So today we are going to see some new vegetables today. Okay, all of you are ready for that? Some new vegetables. That is the bean family and the gourd family. Okay. What is this? Yeah, ma'am, on the bean family, gourd family in சொல்றாங்க. Like that. Bean family, it will end. All the vegetable will end in the name bean ன்னு முடியும். Okay. God family na god ன்னு முடியும். Bottle god, bitter god, snake god. அந்த மாதிரி god ன்னு முடியும். So only they are segregated as bean family and god family. Okay, children. So first we'll have a small recap of leafy vegetables. Okay. Leafy vegetables. What vegetable is this? Leafy vegetable. What is this?
Coriander.
Yes. What is this, ma? Mint. Very good. Mint. Okay, next. Very good. Next. What is this? Coriander. Very good, Sarah. Coriander. Okay, next. Lettuce. Next. Fenugreek. Fenugreek. Okay, next.
என்ன தெரியும்? அங்க பாரு. என்னன்னு? அது என்ன?
Curry leaves. Curry leaves. Okay, those who know the answer, please unmute and answer. Others, if you don't know, please don't unmute and disturb others. Okay, children? Those who know the answers, you can very well unmute and say the answer. Okay, so next we are going to see the underground vegetable. Okay, children, underground na ennadu? It will be under the soil. Now shall we see do an activity? All of you get up, bring a chair or table, go under the table or chair what you are having. Let me see what is meant by under. Under na ennadu? Table ku adiliyo illa chair ku adiliyo poganum. Come on, bring and show me. Do the activity and show it to ma'am. Let me see. Under.
Round
Under
is not
the
a
table. Under na எப்படி போவீங்க? Underனா அதுக்கு அடியில போகும். Under. Under. Under the table. See here. Ilangor, he is going under the chair. Under na என்னது? சேருக்குள்ள டேபிள் குள்ள போகும். That is under. Yes, Yukta.
No.
Very good. See here, Yukta. Under the table. Very good, Yukta. Then who is under the chair? Riya Sri is also going under the chair. See here, Riya Sri is going under the table. Can you all see under the table? Okay, next. Shall we see Nimalan? What is Nimalan doing? Yeah, very good. Under na chair ku adiyila table ku adiyila porudha under. Okay, now all of you get up, come out, sit in the chair. Sit on the chair, come on. ரெடி? இப்போ உங்களுக்கு தெரியும் இல்லையா அண்டர் கிரவுண்ட் வெஜிடபிள்னா என்னது? மண்ணுக்குள்ள இருக்கும், அடியில இருக்கும், மண்ணுக்கு அடியில, மேல இருக்காது. It will not be above the soil. It will be under the soil. Okay, so that is underground vegetables. Okay, so what are the underground vegetables? What are these?
Carrot.
Fruit. Very good. Another onion. Very good. Good. This one. Potato. Very good. This one.
அடுத்து மாத்திட்டாங்க.
Not ginger garlic. Ginger. Okay, va? This one.
இது என்னது?
What is this? Radish. Very good. Radish. See here. Beetroot. Carrot. All of you touch beetroot. Where is beetroot in the screen? Screen la beetroot touch பண்ணுங்க பார்க்கலாம். Beetroot எங்க இருக்கு? Red color. Red color vegetable you can see. That is beetroot.
Red color.
Underground vegetable beetroot. And then carrot. Where is carrot? Touch carrot everyone. Carrot எங்க இருக்கு? Next is potato. Touch potato.
Potato வந்து.
Potato எங்க இருக்கு? Good. Onion. Onion எங்க இருக்கு? Onion. Very good. Well done, children. Okay. Next we are going to see the God family. God family. So what are the God family? Shall we see? Ridge God. Ridge God na Pirkangai. Ridge God. Okay. Bitter God. Bitter God na Pavakai. It is very bitter. Bitter God. Okay. Snake God. Snake God. Snake God means Pudalangai. Snake God. Bottle God. Suraikai. Bottle God. Okay. Next is EV God. EV God is this one. The first one. This is EV God. Kovaikai. Okay. Next is pointed God. Pointed God will be like the EV God only, but little bit bigger, and the skin will be little bit rougher. Okay, rougher skin. Okay, it will be little bit hard. Okay. This is AV God and this is pointed God. Okay, children. So one more time, shall we see? God. Did you all notice, children, in the God family, every vegetable what I showed you now ends with the name God. God and முடியுது பாத்தீங்களா? Ridge God, bottle God, bitter God, EV God, pointed God, snake God. அந்த மாதிரி God and முடியுது. Okay, so only they are known as God family. This is what vegetable is this? Ridge God. Yeah, ridge God. Next one, bitter God. Bitter God. Snake God. Bottle God. EV God or pointed God. Okay. Next is the beans family. எல்லா நேமும் எப்படி God family God முடியுதோ the same way bean family will also end in the name beans 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 னு end ஆகும். Okay, so French beans, this is French bean. மம்மி செய்வாங்க இல்லையா beans பொரியல், that is French beans. Okay, cluster beans means கொத்தவரங்காய். Cluster beans, listen, don't play. Cluster bean. Okay, lima bean means மொச்சைன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. lima bean. Okay, kidney bean is dark reddish in color. Kidney bean, and if you see the shape of it, it will be like a kidney. நம்மளோட kidney எப்படி இருக்குமோ அந்த ஷேப்லயே இருக்கும். So only it is known as kidney bean. Okay, so beans family from the beginning: French beans, cluster beans, lima beans, kidney beans. Okay, French beans, cluster beans, lima beans, kidney beans. Okay, so these are the beans family. Now I want you to take worksheet, children. Worksheet number is D39 CT. D39 CT. Circle all the beans. Now you have learned some beans, no? Cluster bean, lima bean, kidney bean, French bean. So see where is all those beans and circle it. Before that, write today's date. Today's date is 2/3/23-8-2121 and the day is Monday. Worksheet number is D39 CT. D39 CT. Circle the beans, children. First circle the cluster bean. Which is cluster bean? Kottavarangai. This is cluster bean. And then lima bean. The second one is lima bean. Next is kidney bean. Kidney bean dark reddish in color. Kidney bean. And last you have French bean. French bean. And next worksheet D40 CT. I need 3 colors for this worksheet, children: red, green and yellow. Red, green and yellow. Yes, all of you have the worksheet. First take your red color in your hand. First take red color in your hand, all of you. Red color, God family inna irukko, that you are going to circle with red. Bottle gourd, ridge gourd. 2 gourds you have there. One is bottle gourd, suraikai, and the second one is ridge gourd, peerkangai. Come on, find where are the 2 gourds and circle it with red color, children. Bottle gourd, ridge gourd. Red color. Bottle gourd, ridge gourd. Red color. And next take your green color. Here you are going to circle the leafy vegetable. Leafy vegetable is very easy, children. Only leaves will be there. 2 leafy vegetables are color. Yes, yes, Adya's mom.
Which page is this?
D40 CT. D40 CT. First, gourds circle with red color. Bottle gourd, ridge gourd. And next is leafy vegetable, coriander and spinach. coriander and spinach. Coriander, leafy vegetable. Spinach, leafy vegetable. Leafy vegetable na verum leaf mattum da irukum and vegetable, no solid vegetable you can see. Next is take your yellow color in your hand. Take yellow color in your hand and color the beans family. Okay, beans family. Now I taught you, right? Cluster bean, kidney bean, French bean. This is cluster bean, kottavarangai. Kidney bean, it will be in the shape of kidney itself, dark reddish in color. Kidney bean, French bean. French bean. Ordinary beans which your mama will do. French bean with yellow color. Finished? Yes. Now children point out where is bottle guard. Bottle guard, touch bottle guard. Where is bottle guard? Bottle guard. Suraikai, where is bottle guard? Touch it. Where is bottle guard, Yukta? Touch the bottle guard. Bottle guard. Second is kidney bean. Where is kidney bean? Dark reddish in color. Kidney bean. Kidney bean எங்க இருக்கு? Kidney மாதிரியே இருக்கும். Very good, Nitish. Next is coriander. Where is coriander? Touch coriander. Coriander ma Nitish. Kottamalli. Coriander. Which is coriander? No. Coriander. Next is French beans. Beans எங்க இருக்கு? Beans. Beans எங்க இருக்கு? மம்மி செய்வாங்க இல்லையா? Beans, where is it? Beans, yeah, good, correct. Beans, French beans. Next is ridge guard. Touch the ridge guard, children. Ridge guard. Ridge guard. Where ridge guard? No. Where is ridge guard? Pirkangai. You can see ridges in that vegetable. That is ridge guard. Yeah, fine children. Okay, now I am going to show you the real vegetables. Okay, so now we have done the worksheet, right? Ma'am has brought the vegetable and now I am going to show you. Whoever is able to identify the name of the vegetable, you can tell me. Okay, first is the gourd family. First gourd family தான் காட்ட போறேன். Okay, so what gourd is this? யாருக்காவது தெரியுமா what gourd is this?
God. Snake.
God. Very good, my language. Snake God. Pudalangai. Snake God. Okay. And what God is this? What God is this?
Ridge God.
Ridge God. Very good. Ridge God. Na nariya ridges irukku paaruங்க. Can you see the lines here? Yes. So only it is called as ridge God, children. Snake God la andha mari iruka? Snake God la ridges irka? Is there ridges in snake God? No, you can see ridges only in the ridge God. Okay, it is very rough also. Okay, Pirkangai, ridge God. And next, what is this? What is this? Bitter God. It will be very bitter. Is there anyone who likes bitter God? Nova, Sarah first shaking head. Huh?
I like Yukta likes man.
You like her, Yukta? Very good, Yukta. Bitter God is good for your health because you children are eating lot of vegetables. Yes or no? So, sorry, lot of chocolate. So when you eat this bitter God, you walk with all those germs in your stomach. Okay? So try to eat bitter God. Okay? This is bitter God. And then this one, Evi God. This is Evi God. Kovakai, Evi God. What is it? Evi God. Parents, whenever you get time, please take them to a vegetable shop. Like Paramudir or somewhere you take them. Show them the vegetable. If possible, take a video and send it to me. Okay, let them explore all the vegetables that is in the market, vegetable market. Whenever you go, take them also. Let them identify all the vegetable there in the market. If possible, you can take a video and send it to me. Okay, I'll share it to others. Okay, thank you. And now next worksheet, before doing next worksheet, I want you to take your slate, children. Come on, take your slate and chalk paste. Take your slate and chalk paste. Is now ma'am is going to tell you the phonic sounds. You are going to write the letters for it. Okay. Slate and chalk paste. Sarah, good girl, doing her work on her own. Slate and chalk paste. Okay, ready? Now one by one ma'am will tell you the letters. You are going to, tell you the phonic sound. You are going to write the letters. Ah, 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 and small letters, children. Write the small letters, okay? Ah, ah, and so my arm, ah, ah, and so my arm, ah, ah, and so my arm, they are causing me alarm. Ah. Very good. What letter you will write for A? Anna letter எழுதுவீங்க. What letter you will write? A. Very good, Nakshatra. Good girl. A. Small letter A. Show me what you have written. Everyone, after writing, show it to me. Let me also write and show it to you. Okay? Yeah, 1 minute. I will also write. Wait. You will not wait for Vanilla Mama. You all are grown up now, huh? Not at all waiting for Vanilla Mama. A. Very good. Like this. A. Ah. Follow the line also, children. Okay, very good. No one should write in the checks. Please don't write in the checks part. Write in the lines part, 4-line part. Follow the line and write, okay? And next is, leave it if you have written A there, leave it. From the next alphabet, you follow, okay? Next is, bring your bat and bring your ball. B. 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 B means what you will write? Babba means what you will write. Come on, help ma'am. No, anyone? Babba enna எழுதணும்? B. Very good. Standing line and a front curve. B. Standing line and a front curve. B. Very good. Very good, Nakshatra. Very good, Adarsh. Super Adarsh. But A vandu maathano Adarsh. Good, Adya Sharma. Adya Sharma, write in the white part, Kana. That B. Where are you writing? Show me. One more time, show it to ma'am. According to the line, Adya's mom, she has written with in the red to white line, right? In the white line you have no. Next alphabet, okay? No problem. Next alphabet you do that, okay? Next is we are clicking castanets. Ka 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 ka. This action. Ka 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 ka. We are clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. Ka 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 ka. What will you write? Very good, Ilangu. In the white line. C. Good. Very good. Well done. Okay, next is da 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 da. See me play on my drums. Playing drums is lots of fun with the da 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 da. See me play upon my drum. Da. Da. Let me see how many of you are able to write correctly. Da. Very good, Yukta. Very good, Mailango. Very good, Riyasri. Nakshatra, good girl. Very good. Shravanya, good. Shravanya, don't write in the checks part. I told you now. Again and again you are doing the same thing. Why is that? Follow the 4 line. Come on. Write in the 4 line part. T. A standing line and a back curve. Backside curve. D. Very good. Adarsh, good. Vimalan, good. Ravina, Pranavi. Show me your plate. Plate காட்டுங்க. கேமரா கிட்ட காட்டுங்க. எனக்கு தெரியல. Yes, next is eggs in the pan. Eggs in the pan. Eggs in the pan. Crack the egg like this. What do you write? என்ன எழுதுவீங்க? Eggs in the pan. Come on, Sarah. Write fast and show it to ma'am. Who is going to write first? Priya Sri. Good. Ilango. Good. Very good. Shravanya. E. Very good. Small letter E. How will you write small letter E? A sleeping line. First a sleeping line like this and then a curve. E. First a sleeping line and a curve. E. Very good, Yukta. Yes, Adarsh. E எழுதிருக்கீங்க. Yeah, very good, Nimalan. I saw you. He's writing E,
Yes, ma'am. Both are ma'am.
Very good, Adarsh. Good boy. Very good, Masara. E. Next is, my friends and I went to the beach with my floating fish. It got a hole, the air came out. என்ன எழுதுவீங்க? What will you write? என்ன எழுதுவீங்க? Hey, very good, Sarah. First F. Very good, Sarah. F. Very good. Now ma'am is also going to write F. A curve and a standing line. A sleeping line. F. F. Good. Yeah, very good, all of you. F. Good. Not like capital F. You should not put sleeping line, children. Curve varano inga. Sleeping line podakudadu. That is not small f. Okay. With the curve, a standing line, a sleeping line. F. Good. Very good, Ilango. Perfect. Very good, Nimalan. F. Good. Adya, show me your slate. Very good, Nikki. What you have written. She has written correctly, Adya, mom.
She has written capital F and
Okay, only the difference. No problem. Next is G. Water is down the drain. Water is down the drain. Water is down the drain with the G. Very good, ma'am.
Hello.
Good. G.
Man finish.
Yeah. G. Good. Good, Yukta. Riyasri. Mom is also going to write from the white line, children. Not from the red line. White line lerந்து like A itself you have to write. நம்ம A எழுதுற மாதிரியே எழுதி. So you have written A here. Now you are going to drag it down like this. G. Like A itself, first you have to write A மாதிரியே you have to write. And then drag it down to the red line. G. G. Sarah, where is your G? Show it to ma'am. Nakshatra, where is your G? Very good, Sarah. Nakshatra, G எங்க எழுதுனீங்க காட்டுங்க பார்க்கலாம். Where is G, ma Nakshatra? Where is your slate? Show me your slate.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, Nimalan. I know you will write ma. G. Very good. Hey, Adarsh itself has written G. Good. Very good, Nitish. Ilango, good. Ravanya, good. Nakshatra, G enge.
Ma'am, she's writing now.
Yeah. Like A, modale A madri eludunga Nakshatra. And then you bring it down here like this. G. Yeah, good. I saw. Good. Okay, next is ha, 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 ha. Hop, hop, up and down. Very good, Pranavi Pravina. Next letter. Ha, 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 ha. Ha, ha. Na enna eluduveenga? What you'll write? I like to hop, 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 up and down. Very good, Sarah. I like to hop, 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 all around. Ha, 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 ha. Yes, very good. H. For H, how will you write? First, a standing line. First, write a standing line and a curve. H. Very good, Riyasri. Adya's mama is clapping. I think Adya is writing correctly. Okay, next. Ilango, good. Yukta. H, you have written. Good, Yukta. Very good. Well done. Yukta is following the line. Very good, Yukta. Yeah, welcome, ma. Nakshatra, right H. H. Ulta H. No ulta H and all. Standing line and a curve. H. Next is Inky the mouse is my pet. She spelled the ink and got wet. The ink is spread all over the desk. Ink is wet. E. What will you write? E means?
Mouse is appearing.
Very good, Mokshita. Good. I. A standing line. Very good, Manimalan. I. Standing line and a dot on top. I. Very good, Ilango. Riyasri. Good. Yukta. I. Here, ma'am has written I. I. Nitish, good. I. Next is ja. What will you write? Ja. Jelly and jam, jiggling on the plate. Oh, what will I eat with it? Ja. Let me see how many of you are able to write. Ja. Very good, Shravanya. Good. Shravanya, follow the line and write, Shravanya. That is very important. Children, J, how will you write from the white line, children? Don't start from the red line. Red line length start pannakoodadu. From the white line, here till the downside red line. And a dot on top. You will not draw a sleeping line. That is capital J. But this is small j. Like I itself, you have to keep a dot here. J. Ja. Good, Riyasri. J. Very good, Nimalan. J. Nakshatra, show me a very good, Ilango. Sarah, where is J, Sarah? Very good, ma, Nakshatra. J, very good. Yeah. I can see. J. Next is kites are flying in the sky. Kites are flying in the sky. This kites are flying in the sky. Flying in the sky. Kites are flying in the sky. What you'll write?
Mouse is appearing.
Yeah, okay, ma Mokshita. கக்கக்கனா என்ன எழுதுவீங்க? K. A standing line, slanting line, slanting line. K. Very good, Adya. K. Yes, very good. Next is lick my lollipop. We lick a lollipop. We lick a lollipop. Na enna பண்ணுவீங்க? What will you write? Means what letter? Very easy. Just a standing line. L. That's it. Just a standing line. L. Here. L. Finish? Finish? Very good, all of you. Now I want you to take your worksheet. Math worksheet number 27. D38 empty. D38 empty. Number 27. 27.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, good, ma. Those are finished in your slate. Take your worksheet. D38 empty. D38 empty. Pranavi, Pravina, where are you?
Ma'am, one girl gone to drink water and one girl gone to restroom.
Okay, fine. D38 worksheet எடுத்து வைங்க ரெடியா math worksheet. So how will you count, children? 10, group of 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. 27, 27. 2, 7, 27. First write number 2 and then only you should write number 7, children. Don't write 7 and 2. It will become 72. 2, 7, 27. Start writing 2, 7, 27. Spell and write, children. 2, 7, 27. Mokshita, take worksheet number D38 empty. D38 empty. Two, 7, 27. Ranavi, Pravina, what number you are writing?
27.
2, 7, 27. 2727. Only 2 of you have given your names for Janmashtami celebration. Why is that, parents? Any dance performance, girls, boys, anyone can do. Why Sara, Nakshatra?
Ma'am, we are trying different. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes?
We are trying, ma'am, different things. Whatever she can do, we'll give the name, ma'am. We enroll within 2 days, ma'am.
Yeah, very fine. Yeah, encourage them, parents, because then only it will bring out their confidence level. So please encourage them to do whatever they know. They can sing, they can say slokas, they can act like Krishna or Radha, or they can dance. Whatever they can do during that time. Okay? So please enroll your child name. Nakshatra. Nakshatra, why Nakshatra's mom or dad? Who is there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, you can dress up Nakshatra like Radha and teach her any dance, no? Simple steps. She's dancing very well, warm-up activities and all. Why don't you teach her?
Yeah, okay, ma'am. Okay. We will enroll for it.
Adya Sharma, yeah, thank you. Adya Sharma.
I'm writing my book.
Definitely, you should dance on Janmashtami celebration. Okay, Adya.
Why you, Mamu? I
Why,
write
ma'am? What? Why, ma'am? You'll be very pretty if you dress up like Radha, you know? Don't want to dress up like Radha? Don't want to dress up like Radha?
कितने सारा लिखा
How much writing is there? Ah?
a new
Okay, finish. We'll see, ma'am.
Okay,
It takes a lot of time to prepare.
Yeah, just dress up for any 2-3 let her dance. She's willing to dance, no warm-up activity and all she's doing. So just teach her any dance.
Okay, we'll see. She will not do it in the final thing. That's
You just teach her, let her look at her friends. She's willing, let her dance. Or else we'll leave her. Okay?
yeah. Okay.
Yeah, fine. Shravanya, why Shravanya's mom? Why don't you enroll Shravanya? Very good, Shravanya. Finished your worksheet. Where is your mama, Shravanya?
Maushita finished, ma'am.
Very good, Mokshita. Shravanya, where is your mom? Amma inga Shravanya? Everyone has finished number 27? Very good, Shravanya finished. Yeah, very good. Ilango finish, Yukta finish. Very good.
Yellow finished, ma'am.
Very good, Ilango. Finished. Good.
27, ma'am.
Very good, Ma. Mokshita. Good. Tara finished. Very good. Adya finished. Finished. Very good. Well done, children. Very good. Well done. All of you have done well. Thanks for your cooperation. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Bye, Mama. Bye.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.
Yeah, bye. Bye, Yukta.